start today's session. So, as of my comment section, many people were asking about the letter writing format because generally they used to get confused between the formal letter writing, even the informal letter writing. मतलब कि हिंदी में जैसा हम जानते हैं, जैसा कि मैंने यहाँ पे लिख के रखा है पत्र लेखन, तो पत्र लेखन एज अ स्कूल वाइज, तो जनरली स्कूल बोर्ड तक हमारे पास दो ही तरह का लेटर होता है, एक है औपचारिक एंड सेकेंड वन इज अनौपचारिक. तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ यहाँ पे. फर्स्ट वन, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लेटर राइटिंग. औपचारिक, सेकेंड वन अनौपचारिक. औपचारिक को हम लोग फॉर्मल लेटर बोलते हैं और अनौपचारिक को इनफॉर्मल. तो अभी आज हम अपने इस क्लास में, टुडेस क्लास में विल लर्न अबाउट द फॉर्मल लेटर राइटिंग, मतलब कि औपचारिक पत्र. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो प्लीज मेरे वीडियोस को लास्ट तक देखें. प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, वॉच इट टिल एंड टू गेट मोर इन्फो एंड क्लियर कॉन्सेप्ट. So I just start with the here is formal. यहाँ मैं लिख देती हूँ आपको औपचारिक. तो whenever you get confused, you just go to my video, previous videos also. You will get more videos about the basic Hindi. So first here we'll start. As you know कि in English also we have to follow the same format. But I don't know कि why students get confused कि मैम in Hindi how to write the औपचारिक letter writing, मतलब कि formal. So here we have to start. In English also you write it from. I just give you example like this. Here in Hindi we'll write it प्रेषक, मतलब कि from. तो from में क्या होगा? आपका जो letter लिख रहा है. Who is writing a letter to someone else? So here you have to write it your, or otherwise instead of that you can write it go. Or otherwise generally here what we do, here we will just write it Pariksha Bhavan. And below that we'll write the address. So where is the Pariksha Bhavan? So we'll write it Delhi. Even. अब इसके नीचे after the from what will come here? Here दिनांक. See, generally people what they do after the from they start writing the to, but that is also a correct format. That is, nothing is wrong. So instead of this दिनांक also you can go through the to option, मतलब कि सेवा में. तो इसे हम to, तो ये to हो गया, मतलब कि to whom you are writing with this formal letter. तो might be you are writing your principal. तो सेवा में प्रधानाचार्य. Here you have to learn one more thing. Here I am writing, just look at here, only matra difference is here. Here I wrote it Pradhanacharya, here Pradhanacharya. मतलब कि Pradhanacharya is a male principal, Pradhanacharya is a female principal. So you have to be very careful because only one matra missing, so you will get confused, and that is the major part where everyone does the mistake. Even after that you have to give your, because you have written the principal name, so now you have to give the address of the school. So might be you can write any school name, like we write it Delhi Public School, we just write it. And here also we just write it Nai Delhi. Now here we'll write, now here I wrote it dinank, means ki date. So here also we can write it, or otherwise after from, after to we'll write it dinank, मतलब कि date. Here principal I just write it dinank. You will write the date. I just write it today's date only. Okay. Now, below this, your most important part, that is the major difference between औपचारिक and अनौपचारिक, means formal to informal. Here we have to write it विषय. Now in present time I am telling you, last week I was doing the correction for PU board, and there what the students did it, in the informal letter they have mentioned विषय. विषय will never come in the informal letter. विषय comes only for the औपचारिक letter writing. So here you have to write it, to whom, for what reason, for what regarding you are writing a letter. So here suppose that you are writing a letter to apply your TC, means Asthanantran Praman Patra. So here we'll write it Asthanantran Praman Patra Hetu. Hetu is your regarding. So here I just write TC, means transfer certificate. Now we'll start our body of the letter. So please like and subscribe, because these are non-edited videos. And you have to be very careful, because in the letter part, each format, each step carries one mark. For suppose that if you are writing a correct format and each step correctly, and might be you are doing the many mistakes in the body of the letter, so that doesn't matter, only 1 marks will deduct. But if you are following each step correctly, you will get 4. So every औपचारिक and अनौपचारिक letter comes for the 5 marks. So now after the विषय, what we have to do, we have to call, means संबोधन, what we say, to whom you are writing a letter. So now we were writing a letter to the principal. So now here we will write it आदरणीय, as below how we were writing, आदरणीय महोदय or महोदया. Here again we have to be very careful. This is for male principal, this is for female principal. And now your body of the letter will start like सविनय निवेदन है, with humble respect, with due respect, कि मैं आपके विद्यालय में कक्षा 8वीं, I am just mentioning in 8वीं का छात्र हूँ. See here again you have to see का छात्र हूँ, otherwise की छात्रा हूँ for the girls. का छात्र हूँ, मुझे स्थानांतरण प्रमाण पत्र की जरूरत है, क्योंकि मेरे पिताजी का तबादला दूसरे शहर में हो गया है. जहाँ मुझे दूसरे स्कूल में दाखिला लेना है. अतः मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है कि जल्द से जल्द मुझे रहूंगा। And below you need to write it धन्यवाद सहित, means की thanking you, yours faithfully, आपका आज्ञाकारी शिष्य, and here you will write in your K, K, K. So this was your body of the letter. For this you will get only 1 mark, but if you follow each step correctly, you will get the each step 1 mark. So while writing, very careful. And here one more thing I just wanted to tell you. Here generally students get confused when I cut the 1 mark. They ask, they usually write it for everyone, आपका आज्ञाकारी शिष्य, but you know this is used for only boys, and for girls use it. Many of them, they are not aware about it, I know, I am much sure. आपकी आज्ञाकारिणी शिष्या, this is for girls, and I am 100% sure many of them are not knowing about this, what they have to write it for the girls. So please go through, watch it till end. Please like and subscribe. Next class will teach you Anupcharik Patra. Thank you.